Good morning guys. Alas 8:20 na guys dito sa Saipan. This is the first day of the 1 week. It's raining guys. We have last weekend we have a typical storm. This Thursday. Now the sun already come out. Look. Yeah, must be. Yeah, that's the sun. That's not the bisa. Kaya low tide guys is coming. I think still kaya sa wala namin mas bin napakalapit lang para labasan na lang ng gate natin dyan sa Kerhom. Malay pa yan gate ng Kerhom. Try tayo ngayon guys kasi ang high tide today and this coming 1 o'clock going low tide. That's why try to be tayo guys. Let's go. Follow me guys. What I catch today. Let's go guys. Alright guys. Dito naman tayo ngayon guys. Sa ating spatan. Only walking. Yun na nga. Wala tayong sasakyan. But maybe soon. May service naman tayo guys para makapag-fishing tayo sa kahit sana naman. But this time itong lugar natin guys, to this high tide, the low tide is coming 1 o'clock, but this time going to low tide over 1 week guys. 1 week. Yes, look, see that I don't know what kind of fish, but oh, it's a mallet guys, mallet guys, mallet. Okay, I want to start to fishing because we have the mallet is coming for me. Alright, let's go guys. Ayun na guys, come mama. Yan ang mga mallet guys. Let's go. Yan, see that? There. He want to eat my bread. 100% fire. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, the big size. But he didn't eat my bread. Okay, I try guys. Kuntis natin guys. Kung mga activities dito ngayon. Good morning guys. Nakalimutan natin mag good morning guys. Ito naman guys yung kalaban natin guys. Ayan man siya Grabe naman to si guys. Iwan ko kung makuha natin to. Allah, sige. Sige lang, laban lang Papa Jerry. Allah. Uminyak na yung puta, nakawala naman guys. Patay na tayo. Lutay na guys. Alas 10 na. See? Good morning darling. Tingnan yung Papa Jerry guys, kalbo pa rin guys. Yan. Ito dati yung puti ko nito guys. Dati ko uniform ito. Ayan Yan, stop line. Ngayon, nag-fishing na tayo kasi almost 1 week continuous raining, but this time already clean the sky, but the problem is going low tide. Kaya nag-try pa rin tayo guys. Anong swerte yung mahuli natin ngayon bago tayong umuwi. Kahit wala tayong maputi o si mama, at least may huli pa rin tayo kahit paano, kahit may pang sigang na tayo guys, right? Continuous na tayo guys. Kahit paano, maybe a catching or maybe nothing, but it's okay, at least still have little bit fish, right? Continuous natin guys. Ito kong guys, 10:30. tour guide doon catching mama mapunta today guys between low tide. Yeah, but by the way, I catching little bit only guys, but at least good for me already. See, look. You guys, so. Yan. Kaya guys. Hard to enjoy guys to sting the hat. Even I hiding the ice shield country. By the way, this is my country guys. This is my country guys. But a lot mosquito fishing this one. So the right away in the shore. Right, at least still have catching here guys. Already, it's a lot already, like 30 pieces already this one. Right, at least mayroon tayo guys. Because already almost 1 week raining. Right, okay, so guys. Hinihingal ako guys. Like the asma. Yeah, that's why. Thank you for watching. I God bless you. I love you guys. I love you mama in the sea. I love you mama in the land. Right? The beautiful mama in the land. I love you guys. Still have spot. Spot. I cannot promise you guys a lot na but that's a secret. If you I see this, I'm very happy too. But still have. I'm not asking you is a lot, but you see I catching today. Only like 1 hour, 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Right, thank you for watching guys. See you Simasi. This is it. I love you guys. Mwah.